These earrings definitely bring the wow factor. To get started making these, you're going to need 2 hoops. These are about 18mm round. You're going to need Biwa pearls. I have 3 on each ear. You're going to need 2 small gold beads for each ear, and the dangle pearl is about 10 by 12mm, and you will need an earring wire too. You will also need a piece of wire. I'm using 24 gauge, and this is German style wire in gold color, and I cut this 3 inches. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my head pin. Oh, I forgot to mention head pins. You'll also need a head pin. This is 24 gauge. So we're going to put the head pin through the pearl, and then we're going to wire wrap it. So we're going to come in with our chain nose pliers, pinch it down at the top of the pearl, bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, and I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, bring the wire to the back, and I'm going to hang on to that loop that I just made with my chain nose pliers. I'm going to get my bent chain nose pliers, and I'm going to wire wrap around. It looks like I can go about 4 times. And I'm going to pinch off the excess. I'm going to pinch the burr down. I'm going to take my wire and flush cut the end. Then I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to form a loop at the very end. Then I'm going to come back in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to push the wire to break the neck. And if there's a space here, I come back in with my round nose pliers and push the wire so they both meet. Then I'm going to add my bead, put on my Biwa pearls, put on my other bead, and then I'm going to wire wrap the top. Come in with my chain nose pliers, pinch it down at the top of the bead, bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to slip out my round nose pliers, and I'm going to add my ring to it. Well, first I'm going to open the door and then add my ring. I'm going to hold down the loop that I just made with my pliers, and I can wrap it around with my fingers, or I can use my bent chain nose pliers. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch my burr down. Then I'm going to open up the head pin that I made, put my pearl on, close it back up, I'm going to open up my earring wire by twisting it to the left, hanging on my circle, closing it back up, and there you have your beautiful Biwa pearl earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.